Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Della. Today we will be making Dungeness shrimp scampi. So let's get started. We're going to use a chopped red onion, a small one, about 3 scallions, some fresh parsley, chop that up, green pepper, chop that up too, and a little bit of the lemon zest right there. You also need some lemon juice. So you could use fresh squeezed lemon juice or some lemon juice. Okay, and then you have some black pepper, salt, some crushed red pepper, and some garlic powder. We're going to season it with this. You need a white wine of choice. I'm using this one right here. And you also want to take the garlic and blend it up with the white wine. I'm going to use these chickpea rotini noodles. We're going to be using a mixture of butter and olive oil to saute the vegetables. You want to melt your butter and your olive oil and prepare your noodles as directed on the package. Add your garlic mixture. That's the garlic and the wine mixture right there. And saute that. 30 seconds. Add red onions, green onions, and green peppers. Or you can use red peppers, any type of peppers that you like. And you want to saute that as well, only for about 3 more seconds. Okay, let's add our shrimp. You add the Dungeness crabs last because you know those are already cooked. So just add the shrimps for a little bit. You want to break your crab up so you get all the way in between. You're going to mix it together. Now we're going to add our seasonings and our wine. Mix it all up real good. And drop them in there. Now we're going to add our wine and our lemon juice. Now you want to add your wine. Lemon juice. Put the zest inside, the fresh parsley. Then we're going to mix all of that up. So you want to mix all your parsley, lemon zest, seasonings. Mix it so it can be everywhere. Mix it all together. So get all over the crabs. Nice taste in the crabs. So we're going to put it on low and that's a go for about 2 minutes. That looks beautiful. Just let the fog clear up a little bit. Look beautiful. So now we're just going to add our noodles. Add those noodles. Stir in the noodles. And stir it all in there. Stir in all that pasta. So all that sauce could get everywhere. So now we about to plate this. This is the extra sauce. So we're just going to pour this sauce all over. Nice and slow. Now that just looks beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Welcome. And subscribe. I really appreciate it. And thank you in advance. And remember, health is wealth and we must take care of ourselves.